Hi mama, welcome back to Healthy Baby Happy Mama. Are you worried because your baby is not gaining weight as fast as you expected? Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video I'll share with you 7 safe and healthy foods that can naturally help your baby gain weight. No sugar, no unsafe shortcuts, just real nutrity. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips on baby health and nutrition. Why weight gain matters. Healthy weight gain is one of the best signs that your baby is growing well. When babies gain weight steadily, it means they are getting enough calories, their muscles and bones are developing, and their immune system is getting stronger. But remember, every baby is unique. What I'm sharing today is general advice and not a substitute for your pediatrician's guidance. The 7 foods. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood for babies. It's packed with healthy fats and calories that support brain growth. Simply mash ripe avocado and mix it with a little breast milk or formula to make it smooth and easy to swallow. Full-fat yogurt. Plain, full-fat yogurt is an excellent source of calcium and probiotics. It helps with bone development and gut health. You can add mashed fruits like banana or papaya for flavor, but avoid sugary yogurts. Banana plus peanut butter for babies 9+ months, only if no allergy history. This combination is calorie-dense and provides potassium, protein, and healthy fats. Start with a tiny amount of peanut butter, watch closely for any allergic reaction, and then gradually increase. Oatmeal porridge with milk. Oats give long-lasting energy. When preparing porridge, use milk instead of water to add more calories. You can also stir in a little butter or ground chia seeds for extra nutrition. Egg yolk from 8+ months. Egg yolks are rich in healthy fats, protein, and vitamin D. Boil the egg, separate the yolk, and mash it. Avoid egg whites under 1 year unless approved by your doctor, because they can cause allergies. Sweet potato with butter. Sweet potatoes are high in carbs and vitamin A. When mashed with a little butter, they become a creamy, calorie-rich baby food that's easy to digest. Nut butters and fortified cereals from 1 year. For older babies and toddlers, peanut butter, almond butter, or fortified cereals are excellent. They fill nutritional gaps and provide energy for growth. Feeding tips and safety. Weight gain is a gradual journey, not an overnight change. Offer small meals more often throughout the day, make sure foods are soft and mashed to prevent choking, and always introduce one new food at a time so you can watch for allergies. So mama, these are 7 healthy foods that can support your baby's weight gain in a safe and natural way. Remember, patience is key and every baby grows at their own pace. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with other moms. And if you'd like me to share detailed recipes, comment the word recipes below.